السلام علیکم پیارے بچوں، آج کی کلاس میں ہم پڑھیں گے سبحانی قاعدہ۔ پڑھیے سبق نمبر 8 مرکب حروف حرکات، لائن نمبر 3۔ زبر زیر پیش کو حرکات کہتے ہیں، حرکات والے حرف کو متحرک حرف کہتے ہیں۔ تعوذ، اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم۔ تسمیہ، بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ قاف زبر قا، میم زبر ما قاما، را پیش رو قامارو۔ فا زبر فا، عین زبر ع فع، لام زبر لا فعل، را پیش رو، سین پیش سو رسو، لام پیش لو رسولو۔ چلیں اب ہم اس سبق کو رواں دہراتے ہیں۔ قمرو، فعل، رسولو۔ چلیں اب ہم اس سبق کو اپنے قاعدے میں دہراتے ہیں۔ پڑھیے سبق نمبر 8 مرکب حروف حرکات۔ زبر زیر پیش کو حرکات کہتے ہیں، حرکات والے حرف کو متحرک حرف کہتے ہیں۔ تعوذ، اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم۔ تسمیہ، بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ قاف زبر قا، میم زبر ما قاما، را پیش رو قامارو۔ فا زبر فا، عین زبر ع فع، لام زبر لا فعل، را پیش رو، سین پیش سو رسو، لام پیش لو رسولو۔ اب اس کو رواں دہراتے ہیں۔ قمرو، فعل، رسولو۔ ٹھیک ہے بچوں، اب آپ اس کے ساتھ ساتھ اپنے پچھلے اسباق کی بھی دہرائی لازمی کیجیے۔ صدق اللہ العظیم۔ فی امان اللہ۔
Assalamu alaikum children. Now today we are going to do some more work in our More For Us. Now here is your book, More For Us, Mathematics Book 3. Open your book, page number 20. Which page is this? 20. Now write date here and day and write HW in the center on the top of this line. Now read the caption, backward counting. Write backward counting from 20 to 1. Children, you have already done backward counting 10 to 1. I have already explained you before. Now you have done 10 to 1. Today we are going to do from 20 to 1. Now what comes? Now start counting and writing with me. Hold your pencil and write the numbers touching the line, and do not write big numbers. Okay? 20, 19, 18. Are you writing? I am repeating the numbers. Just write with me. Okay? 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. I hope everyone has completed this column. Now just come to the next one. Again, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, I have written small size numbers. You have to write and follow just my handwriting, my formations. Okay? I hope everyone has understood this page. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Let's do some more exercise from page number 78 in our early learner book. Now this is activity number 45. Write date, day and HW in the center. Now read the caption. Ali is watching television. His mother comes into the room. Read their conversation and fill in the missing words. Choose from the boxes. Now what is written inside the boxes? He said, she said, you said. Now see, here is Ali. What is he doing? He is watching television. and suddenly his mother come inside the room, and what the conversation they have shared, the sentences are here, you have to fill it according to the words given in the boxes. I want to watch this program. Who said this word? Obviously Ali. So what you will choose from the box? He said. Now what mother said? No, it is bedtime, go to bed. So you have to use she said. Okay. Then again, you said, who said this word? Ali. You said I could watch it. He said, okay, but you must go to bed afterwards. She said. I hope everyone has understood these sentences, and you have to write the conversation, and you have to fill the missing words uttered by them by seeing the empty boxes given above. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Now let's do some activity in our EL book. This is page number 34, activity number 20. You have to write date, day and HW here. What you have to do, you have done this sh, ch, th and ng words before in your More For Us as well as in your EL book, right? Now let's do some more exercise. Now read the sentences, put your pencil and read the sentences with me. Tom went shopping. What did he see at the market? Choose from the sounds to finish the list. Now here is a Tom. He went for shopping. What did he see at the market? Ring, flowers, dish, shell, chilies, fruits and fish, juices, sheep, etc. Okay. Now what you have to do, in the boxes they have given sh, ch, th and ng word. What you have to do, you have to complete the words. Okay. Now first one is R-I has been written. You have to written R-I-N-G, ring. You have to take NG from here. R-I-N-G, ring. A bunch of flowers, a dish, a shell. Now here you have to take sh here to complete the word shell. Some chilies. Here you have to take ch, ch, chilies. For lunch. Fresh fish. Fi is written, you have to take sh from here to complete the word fish. A drink, a chicken. Last spelling of chicken is written, you have to write the first ch, ch. In the same way, a sheep, you have to take sh from here to complete the word sheep. Now what did Tom get for Sally? Here is Tom and here is Sally. They are asking, what did Tom get for Sally? Tom get a ring, a shell and a bunch of flowers for Sally. See here in the picture, a bunch of flower, shell and a ring for Sally. In this way you have to do this page. I hope everyone has understood this page. Thank you.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम बच्चों, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आपकी नोटबुक है उर्दू की और मैंने पीछे आप लोगों का थोड़े से पेजेस बनाए हैं, ठीक है, बैक साइड पे इसकी। तो आपने ये ओपन करना है और आपने फर्स्ट पेज पे आना है, रंगों के नाम। आपको मैंने यहाँ पेज बना के दिया है एक, आपका उन्वान है रंगों के नाम। सबसे पहले आपने तारीख लिखनी है और दिन लिखना है। HW या CW कुछ नहीं लिखना, ओके। फिर मैंने आपको यहाँ दिया है लाल, क्या है, रंगों के नाम है ना, लाम अलिफ ला लाम साकिन। अब आपने यहाँ लिखना है लाम अलिफ ला लाम साकिन। آپ نے یہاں لکھنا ہے پھر سے لام الف لا لام ساکن، لام الف لا لام ساکن. جس طرح میں نے لکھا ہے آپ نے سیم اسی طرح ان تینوں بلینکس کو فل کرنا ہے. ٹھیک ہے، آپ نے یہ پیج اپنی مما کی ہیلپ سے اس طرح کمپلیٹ کرنا ہے. شکریہ.